This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So my next question is like, what is your motivation to be a DevOps engineer?
My motivation is when the business side, the operation side and the business side say, hey, our development team is doing very good job. On top of this, DevOps team is making things like the piece of cake, I'm telling you before the motivation, I'm telling you the journey. We had a lot of the manual deployment in many of our applications currently I am supporting. And we actually established the DevOps culture. We actually, we had a team that the DevOps team will be, the goal is to raising the awareness into the development team, and then the setting up some of the expectation that we are going to build automated way. We are going to change the internal process and procedure. Initially, it was difficult. They're not fully motivated, by the way, because they're thinking we're trying to change what they're doing. But we became successful to give them some POC, how we actually, what we are doing today, how we are actually transforming tomorrow. So some of the POC we did, and they actually accepted them and welcomed them very well. It started taking the baby steps and the deploying some of the application completely through the CI/CD pipeline, and then the bringing the development team and then showing them how to do this, created some documentation. They were very surprised that how much the value the DevOps team is adding. So they're onboarded, everything was great. And then actually, once I actually deployed one of the application completely CI/CD pipeline. Now we see the impact in the business side. Business was saying, what happened? How you guys are deploying things so fast nowadays? So then actually the business found out it's a DevOps team actually created the entire CI/CD pipeline that made the deployment easy, made the QA process easy, testing become robust, and the bug we found out easily, and it helps the operation team to get the requirement, the new release super fast. So that's motivate me that I was part of the contribution. I was part of the shout out that they appreciated us, how we are actually making their life much easier. And the end outcome is application is developing, deploying and testing much faster than how we used to do back in 2 years ago.